Hey guys, on today's video we have this new item shop. So let's start off with Yellow Jacket. Yes, it's still here. However, we do have new skins such as this one from Chapter 2, Season 3, which is a pretty cool one. It's a summer-ish with a mask, so pretty neat. And of course, it comes with its cool backbling. We also got an all-time favorite from Season 10, with of course its wicked backbling. And yes, you couldn't ask for a better harvesting tool. Let's not forget about one of the coolest wraps. And before I forget, I will go back into this harvesting tool. That's for the other skin that we just saw from before. Moving on to Lace, with one of those pretty creepy backblings. Let's not forget about Paradox and the backbling, which isn't too exciting. Perfect harvesting tool and a pretty cool glider. Moving on to Arctic Assassin. And yes, Bullseye is back. Next up we have this wrap. And finally our emotes. This is one of my favorites. Waterworks, which is a must-have. And Ribbon Dancer, which is a pretty neat one. And yes, we still have Black Manta right here. Last but not least, the harvesting tools to go with Black Manta. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.